Daddy, I want to make a sign for my teacher, Miss Bliss.
Hey Josh, trying to make a sign for Miss Bliss? Great.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go, I'm going to help you with it, and I'll show you all the steps needed to make a sign, okay?
Okay.
The first thing we have to do is we've got to design what we want it to look like, okay? Okay, Josh, here, I've written Bliss on the computer a few different ways, a few different type styles or fonts. Okay, so now we're going to make the pattern. We're going to use the plotter to draw the pattern. You ready?
Yes.
Go over there and watch the plotter. It should start pretty soon.
Oh, that scared me. Here it goes.
You can cut it now. Okay, the next step is to pick some colors, all right? You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, Josh, if you look around us, we make a lot of different colors here, right?
Yes.
Let me show you how we get some of these different colors when we make a decision. Basically, we use different kinds of glass. This is clear, right? There's nothing in it at all. This is actually clear glass with a white powder. If you take a rag or something, you can actually wipe that powder right out of it. See, so it's a powder on the tube. Then you can have glass that's clear that has a blue powder on the tube. See,
Blue?
look, that powder will wipe out. You see, it's a blue colored powder. And then there also is stained glass. This is stained glass just like a window in maybe a church or something. Yep, this actually has a powder in it. And this is a blue stained glass without any. Oh, this has a powder in it too. But it comes all different ways. Red and blue. Neon gas, which is red, and argon gas, which is blue. Let me show you. You won't even believe this when I show you what's inside of here.
Whoa.
What color is that?
Red.
Exactly. Does it look red?
No. Yeah.
How does it? Does not. It looks clear. These look
Yeah,
clear.
it does. Look at the shadow.
That's the colors from all around the room.
Ooh.
Watch this. Ready?
Ah.
Red gas, blue gas. Red gas, neon. Blue gas, argon. Pretty cool, huh?
Blue is a very beautiful color.
So let's make it blue, okay?
Okay.
Yay! Here on the ribbon fire, you can choose to heat up how much glass you need. So let's say you want to make a big O, you might want to heat up this much glass. So if you want to make an O, let's say you could just get it hot and then twist it like that. Well, that's a little O. You see, what letter did I make already?
B.
I made the B. There's the L and the I. After we're done making it, we'll use black paint. Maybe you'll do it and you can paint out the space between them. But right now, I'm going to cut the glass with this file just the right length to hook it up to the B. I'm splicing now. You got to get the ends really hot. And then when it's hot enough, you can push them together and work it together a little. And give it a little puff of air. That way you make sure that it's solid. So now I put together the word bliss basically in this clear glass. But I thought it'd be fun to put a little accent under the word bliss. And I picked out this beautiful blue stained glass. So it looks like they're melted together pretty good, welded together pretty good. The next step is we got to take it over to the vacuum pump. Put some gas in it, okay? Okay, Josh, this is the equipment that we use to put gas in a tube. And underneath the table is a vacuum pump. That's what pumps out the air, and then we'll put in the neon or argon gas. In it. That's mercury in there. Mercury is much heavier than most things you're used to. Here we go. Now the mercury's in the glass, and I can hook it up to this mildly big transformer to burn it in. Burning in means letting the mercury get warm in order to dissipate in the tube. You'll see when I turn it on. I'm just using the standard black blackout paint to cover up the parts of the tube that are not to be seen. Now we're finishing up the paint. You can see the mercury's almost burned in. You can see the light blue lavender color of the argon without mercury. And in a minute, when the paint dries, we'll be ready to put it together. In this case, what we did is we use a drill or a screwdriver and put these little clips on this. You have to be super careful to do this, because otherwise you might break something.
Now, I'm gonna make it go on.
Yay! Okay, Josh, now we've got it all put together. I think it looks great. I sure hope Miss Bliss likes it. What do you think?
Yeah!
Thanks for coming to the Neon Company.
Bye-bye!
Bye! See you later.